SC1, let's rebuild.
Leap into action. Cameras on every bot on the field. Identify these April tags on the obstacles and the field, and they are moving independently according to their programming. The blue team taking the early lead here. That means the red team will have the initiative as we head into teleop. The blue hub goes dormant as the red team is given the opportunity to close the gap. They're capitalizing on this opportunity, scoring fuel in their hub. Playing a little defense across the middle of the field. Oh no, 74-92. Schoolmaster is hung up on fuel. Fortunately, their teammate, the Spicy Chihuahuas, is able to score. Back over to the blue hub. Team 6800, Deadlock, scoring for the Blue Alliance, facing a little opposition, but quickly returning to a firing position and making several points for the Blue Alliance. As the blue team's gap widens, red team hub activates. Their bots firing wildly across the field. They need to maneuver into position. And there they go. Making as many points as they can. It is back to the blue hub. With hoppers full, they maneuver into a firing position. And then there they go, increasing their lead. A healthy salvo from Deadlock, facing opposition from every bot. Every bot successfully knocks them out of their firing position, buying some time for their teammates to gather fuel and prepare for this, the final endgame phase. This is their last chance. It's gonna take some doing. Their points are still being fired into the hub, but will it be enough? Five seconds remain in this round. And that's the end of round 11. Please stand by for the official results.